Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Halloween hair bows. So exciting! So if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. So you want a size about this big, and I'll put the coordinates on it. Then you want to fold it into thirds. Like that. And then you're gonna fold it in half this way, half this way, so you get the middle. You can just fold in half to find the middle, which is right there, and then put your little hot glue there. Be careful with Tulle. The hot glue goes straight through it. You want to take the good side and put a little dot in the middle, fold it in half, then you're going to want to take your glue gun and put a little dot right there, go back with it, just hold it till it dries, and then we're going to go on the other side, dot right there, do the same thing, hold it, whoop, a little hot, careful, don't burn yourself. Alright, then you're gonna fluff it. You can also take a different colored tool, get a little piece of that off, or ribbon, or the same is fine. And this is going to be to tie around the middle. Alright. This part we're going to be lining the alligator clips. Now you don't have to line these, and I do these because I use them for a 9-month-old, but I will show you real quick how to do my ribbon, and it is a 3/8 inch, and I put some links below so you can find all this stuff. And what we do is we put a little dot on your alligator clip and put the ribbon on. Oop. Like that. Then we go along, put some more glue, open it up, put some glue on the inside, kind of let it dry for a second. You can put your finger in there or something, so if it's too hot, you put something else so it doesn't glue itself together, and just continue on the top. and then cut. And now normally I don't have a lighter on me, but you'd want to take a lighter and burn it a little bit, just the tip, so it won't peel. I don't have one, so we're going to skip it. And just kind of boop. Oh my. There's actually a better kind of ribbon to do this with. It's called Groslin ribbon, but I just had this one out, so. Okay, and there it is. There's the clip. Oop. To attach the ribbon to the alligator clip, you just kind of, that's why I left this extra ribbon. Just kind of put a little dab of glue on there, put the ribbon on there, have it go around. Wait for it to dry. Also put a little dab on the top. Probably do that first. It'll be easier. Okay. And then just go ahead and cut the excess off. And there you have it. Cute little Halloween bow.